मेरे तक आया वो, रख दो उसको, रख दो। Well, I don't have a dolphin memory though. Oh shit, what the heck? Damn. I mean, this Andheri station is royally owned by the rickshaw people. Okay, I know Andheri station is owned by rickshaw walas. But so much. हाँ भाई हाँ. Can you see that? All rickshaws everywhere. Wherever you look, there they are. Arey, why are you looking on your left? Look in front. Arey, what is so much intriguing? Oi! Arey, it's gone insane with those lights. अरे कहाँ बीच में रुका रहे रे? हम गधे हैं। वो खाली रोड ये टाइम पर, और ये है ये वाले ब्रिज पर। I've gone mad. मैं पागल हूँ, मैं पागल हूँ। I'm like super happy, man. This is surprising. I don't want to jinx it. Oh, Valentino Rossi's Eco, huh? So on an empty highway we can see this Eco doing cornering, or we could see the driver coming out of the car and doing cornering on his Eco.
अरे ये मारो इसको.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I forgot that people do take U-turn from there, even though it's not allowed. That too in full confidence, because they want to come from this road.
Confidence?
क्योंकि आगे से तो वहाँ जा ही नहीं सकते. That left is there, but that is not visible to most of the people. It's only visible to some people. And I am the luckiest one who can see this left out here. That's the reason I never take U-turn. But poor people, they can't see that. रुक के साइड में करने से बच नहीं जाओगे तुम. मैं हूँ वो मोहल्ले की सीसीटीवी आंटी, सब दिख लेता है मैं.
घर पे ऑफिस का बोल के गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलने जा रहा है ना.
मैंने तो मैं हूँ ना मूवी में क्रू मेंबर्स तक देख लिए थे. एक सीन में ऊपर बैठे थे वो लोग. लोगों को कहने तो कह के रहने दो सच झूठा. Stop it. Why are you using your phone, buddy? इनकी बाइक चलती है पेट्रोल से और इनकी जान चलती है मोबाइल से. वाह, what dialogue. Come on, my dialogue is better than Himesh Reshammiya's dialogue, all right?
रवि कुमार लंगोट का बहुत पक्का है. वो बिस्तर पर नींद के अलावा कुछ नहीं ले. तेरे शरीर में इतना खून नहीं होगा जितना रवि कुमार एक बार में मूत देता.
अरे क्यों थूकते हो यार? मेरे तक आया वो, मेरे तक आया वो. See, he is not even apologetic. He's saying कि यहाँ थूका मैंने. Spit it in your helmet only. They all can manage. Just that they know that our country is so lenient that we can do anything and just get away. Imagine now these people going in Dubai or something. Do you think they would still spit over there like that? No, right? Because they know out there it's not allowed. If they do it, they'll be punished very seriously. The freedom which our country gives, the people just take advantage of it. Nothing else. Someday this is going to come back and haunt us. you doing, buddy? So much. And why do you even have to do that? Yeah, I mean, जहर क्यों उगलना है तुमको अपने मुंह से? I'm pretty sure that is more harmful than the snake's poison. My God, that was too much. I mean, it's end of November and suddenly it started raining from last 2 days. Yesterday it was thundering as well, and it rained quite heavily. And again now it's raining. Well, what's happening to our weather? Our country's weather is becoming like London.
अरे लंदन का मौसम और लंदन की लड़कियां, इनका कोई भरोसा नहीं है.
I really don't want it to change. I don't want it to rain. Come on, dude. Please don't rain. Oh no, dude, I don't want to. I have to wait here now. What the heck is this, man? I really hate this. But maybe I have my bag's cover though, so I can at least cover my bag. But it's not going to stop or what? Man, I don't like this, yeah. I mean, I don't hate rains, but I hate such situations, yeah. And जब मैं निकल रहा था, it was completely dry. So as soon as I sat on the bike, I rode like 3-4 kilometers and it just started drizzling and now it's raining. I really don't like it. I'm sure you also hate it, right?
अपने को क्या है? अपने को सिर्फ पानी निकालना है.
रहा नहीं जाता.
Let's go. Now even the roads must be very slushy because our government take care of our roads so well that your bikes are prone to slip. I'm already late for work and this was just the icing on the cake I needed. Gotta keep that phone inside, man. रख दो उसको, रख दो. Chalo. He's showing me his phone. That I'm using my phone. That he's showing. Idiot. My boss, once I reach, my boss would be like,
What's the time, Shrikant? So you're late, right? My conference room? Now.
अरे कबड्डी 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 कबड्डी. Well, I would have let him go, but he just appeared right suddenly, and then पीछे से vehicles were coming, people were crossing, that bus wanted to enter.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
अरे कहाँ देख के चल रहे भाई? I like how people walk like on the road. Before crossing they would see the vehicle, and while crossing they will not see, and then after crossing they see. Oh damn, I forgot my iCard looks like. Shit. Alright, need to head back. Let me take a U-turn. Phew. Well, I don't have a dolphin memory though. Oh shit, what the heck? Damn. Oh hell, he got dashed here or what? Fuck, dude. That's really sad, man. Right, heading back now. This was the way where it had happened. I don't know if it's, oh, it's still there. Damn, that's scary. That is super scary, dude. I hope people who were inside, they are fine. I don't know if it was a drunk crash or what. Yeah, well, today I went from the other side and then I remembered that I had forgotten my iCard. So I just collected my iCard. So while I was returning from this side, I just saw that car is like upside down and the divider on the right hand side was broken completely. So he must have dashed over there. I don't know. He might have fell asleep or what. But that looked really scary. I just pray whoever's inside that car, they all are fine. They will get fine. I wish them speedy recovery emotionally and physically. What is the irony, you know? People with helmet ride cautiously and people without the helmet, they ride freely, like without any hesitation, left, right, center. Wherein it should be other way around, right?
बात तो सही है.
Irony.